Why does your profit margin go down when you scale your Facebook ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So when you're paying Facebook to find you leads or clients or customers, then Facebook goes out and it finds those people who are most likely to become leads or clients or customers of yours. And Facebook knows its users really, really well, so it's gonna find the people who are most likely to become leads or clients of yours at first. That's a low-hanging fruit. So when you have a low ad spend, then it's gonna find those people. But when you increase your ad spend, then it has to kind of find more people to fulfill that promise to get you leads or clients or customers. So it's becoming increasingly harder for Facebook to find people that will do that. So it has to present your ad to more and more people to find one that will actually take the leap or take that action to become your client or lead or customer. And that's why the profit margin usually goes down when you scale your ads. So before you scale your ads, make sure that you have a good and healthy profit margin so that you're prepared to go down in return in profit. You get a smaller profit margin, a smaller ROAS, return on investment. But some big companies, they actually prefer to do that on purpose because in the long run, then it's going to grow their business. They're going to have a bigger customer base, they're going to have more referrals, they're going to have more repeat buyers, and the whole entire business will be bigger and more valuable. So just be aware of that and know with yourself what it is that you want and if you can afford it. So I hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more and share it with anybody who could find it useful also. And if you're a coach or consultant, then we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants. Right now we have a special offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. So if you want to learn more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description. And also we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template if you want to run your own Facebook ads. And we also have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that in the description if you're more into organic marketing. And thanks for watching. And also join our free Facebook group, link in the description also, where you can get more tips from me and other marketers. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.